Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to declare variable in the Angular TypeScript and what is the concept of interpolation. Then we will access the variable from the HTML file and we will declare the function in component and we will learn about declaring the function syntax. Then we will call the same function in HTML file. Let's start. So I have this HTML file. In the last video I show that in the component.html file we are declaring everything related to HTML, and in the component.ts file we are dealing with this TypeScript language, right? So to declare any variable inside the Angular, we can just type its name, variable name. Suppose variable name is name, and to assign any value we can use equal to and then its value. Let's say its value is Sukhraj. Now I have declared one variable name, assign the value Sukhraj. So when I assign the value, it's by default now it will be the type of string, and now I can use this particular variable on my HTML file using the interpolation. So to use the interpolation we are using the double curly braces, right? So inside of double curly braces we are using the name of property. So its name is, property name is name, or let me change name here, it's first name, right? So in that case the same name I have to use here inside the interpolation or curly braces. Now let's run this application. You remember the command ngserve. Now application is running. Let me open the browser. Here I will type the URL for the localhost, right? See, now I can see Sukhraj here. Why? Because I have used the property first name here and the value given, or I assign the value here. So this is the one way to declare a variable. Suppose I want to declare another variable. Its name is age and age is 20, and to use it here I can use like this, break, then inside the curly brace age. Okay, now it will work because I didn't provide the semicolon. So how the compiler will know that this is the end of line? Now this is one way to declare variable, but I can assign anything, even to the age I can assign any value like this, right? What if I want to make it strict that it will take only numeric value? In that case I can declare like this, number. In that case it give the message that string is not assignable to type number, so now it will accept only number value, right? So these values are visible on the browser. Another thing, if I want to declare any function, before that one important thing, like in another language, for example in the C#, we are declaring the variable name like this, like public string first name. But here syntax is different. After the name of variable, just give the colon and then give type. So this is the way to declare variables in Angular TypeScript. If anyone want to declare the function, then the syntax is, suppose I am saying get name, it will work fine. But if someone will try to give here function, like in the JavaScript or even .NET, function word is required, but here no such function word is required, in that case it will give the error. So just function name, and suppose what I'm doing, I'm here saying okay return name, and instead of giving value here, what I will do, I will say first name equal to Sukhraj. Yeah, this error because we need to use this dot first name whenever we are declaring the any variable inside component, and after that we want to use it anywhere inside the component or in some other component. In that case we must use this keyword with it, so that this dot first name means it is declared at the component level. So another thing, if you will declare any variable inside the component using where last name like that, it will not work, it will give error. Where let or constant will not work, it will give error. You can try it. So now what I'm doing, I create one function get name, and in that function I assign the name Sukhraj and then return that particular name. So to use or to call this function inside my component, sorry, inside my HTML file, I can directly use get name inside my curly braces or using interpolation. Now let's see the impact. So see here it's giving the name value. Another thing, if I want to pass any value here, suppose I want to pass here Sukhraj, okay, let's say just Sukhraj I am passing here. So in that case it is giving me error. Why? Because my here I'm not expecting any parameter. Let's say here I'm expecting parameter name. Now I can use that particular name here. See, now I'm using the parameter here, so I didn't use this with this on the name on the right side. So here I pass the name, I can pass anything, let's say Angular. Now that method is accepting particular value in the form of parameter and returning the name here. In this video we have seen how to declare variable and how what is the interpolation, how we can use it. Then we access the variable in HTML file, declare the function and use the function in file. Now let's try to declare any object in the component file. So I have declared here one object of type name car, and it has a car type, model and color, 3 properties. Already I initialized every variable with its value, right? So one object has 3 properties. So how I can use now this one? It is very pretty easy. Just let me use here break. So car dot, let's say it's type. So yeah, see its Fiat is there. So I can use any object and its properties in the similar way as we are using the normal variable. Just first use the name of object, then dot property name. Now let's try with the array. Let me declare here. See, so no need of where. Now I have declared the cars, or I can say vehicles. Okay, let it be cars, and then I have 3 array, I mean 3 object inside it, or we can say that 3 array has 3 values. At index 0 it is Saab, index 1 Volvo, then BMW. Now how we can use this particular array? For example, first of all, how we can use it inside our Angular? So we can use this dot cars. Suppose at 0 index I want to modify the value, then I can say let's its name is Maruti, or let's say Hyundai. Okay, Tata is very easy. So its name is Tata, its type is Tata. So in now how I can use here, it's again it's very simple. Cars of 0. Now Tata is printed here, right, instead of Saab. Why? Because first we call the get name. When it call the get name, Saab is replaced by Tata. If I will remove it, in that case now it will print the Saab. So this is very easy in Angular to declare the variables and use the variables in HTML file or in the components using interpolation or using this keyword. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone.